Question number 3. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Let one number be x and other number be 27 minus x. According to question, their product is equal to 182. X into 27 minus x is equal to 182, whose product is equal to 182. X multiplied by 27, that is equal to 27x. X multiplied by x minus x square is equal to 182. We are shifting in right side. X square positive minus 27x negative plus 182 equal to 0, that is equal to 0. And it's a quadratic equation, and splitting by middle term, product of first and last equal to 182x square, and product of first and last is 182, and prime factorization of 182 is equal to 2, 9 2 jar 18, 2 1 jar 2, 7 13 jar 91, 13 1 jar 13, 7 2 jar 14, 14 plus 13 is equal to 27, and 14 multiplied by 13 is equal to 182. We are splitting minus 27x, that is x raised to power 2 minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. Minus 14x minus 13x, that is minus 27x. Minus 27x can be written as minus 14x minus 13x. And 14 13s are 182x square. Product of minus 14x and minus 13x, that is equal to x square, and 13 14s are 182, or positive 182x square. So taking common x and in bracket x minus 14. X minus 14 in bracket and minus 13 is common, that is equal to 0. X minus 13 one times, x minus 14 second times equal to 0. X is equal to positive 13 and 14. Required number. Required number is equal to 13, 14. Answer. Let one number be x and other number be 27 minus x. Two numbers whose sum is 27. First number x and other number is 27 minus x, because sum of two number is 27, so other number is 27 minus x. And according to question, and product is equal to 182. X into 27 minus x, product is equal to 182, x multiplied by 27, that is 27x, and x multiplied by x square, minus x square equal to 182. Shifting this in right side, x square will be positive, 27x will be negative, and 182 plus equal to 0, and it's a quadratic equation. First and last, that is 182x square, and prime factorization of 182 is 2 into 7 into 13, but 7 2s are 14x, minus 14x minus 13x. We are splitting minus 27. X is equal to minus 14x minus 13x. 14 plus 13 is equal to 27, and 14x into 13x, that will be 182x square. So x is taking common, and x minus 14 in bracket, and 13 is taking common, but x minus 14 in bracket is equal to 0. X minus 13 one times, and x minus 14 one time equal to 0. So x equal to 13, 14, required number equal to 13, 14, answer. Question number 4. Find the two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Let x and x plus 1 be two consecutive positive integers. And according to question, sum of whose squares is equal to 365. X square plus x plus 1 square, sum of whose square, x square plus x plus 1 square is equal to 365. A plus b raised to power 2, a plus b raised to power 2 is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. X square as it is, and a square, x square plus b square 1 square plus 2 into x into 1 is equal to 365. X square plus x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 365. X square plus x square, that is equal to 2x square plus 1 plus 2x. Shifting this in left side, 365 is equal to 0. This implies 2x square plus 2x, 365 minus 365 plus 1, that is minus 364. Minus 364 is equal to 0. But it's a quadratic equation, and 2 is taking common in this quadratic equation. X raised to power 2 plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. 2 is taking common but is equal to 0. 2 not equal to 0 means this quadratic equation, x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. And we are splitting middle term, x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. 14 13s are 182. First product of first and last equal to minus 182, and 14x minus 13x is equal to positive 1x, and 14x, 13x and b are multiplying 14x into 13x, then it will become minus 182x square. So x is taking common, this implies x is taking common, and in bracket x plus 14 and x plus 14 in bracket minus 13 is common is equal to 0. X minus 13 one times and one pair x plus 14 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to positive 13. X minus 13 equal to 0 means x is equal to positive 13, and x is equal to minus 14, it's negative. X plus 14 is equal to 0 means x equal to negative 14, but first number is x, that is 13, and second number is x plus 1, 13 plus 1 is 14. So required number is equal to 13 and 14. Answer. Let x and x plus 1 be two conjugative positive integer, and according to question, sum of whose squares equal to 365. X square plus x plus 1 square equal to 365. A plus b raised to power 2, as we know that a plus b square equal to a square, a plus b raised to power 2 equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. X square as it is, a square x square plus b square 1 square plus 2 into a is x and b is 1, 2ab. So x square plus 1 square is 1, 1 ones are 1, 2 into x, that is 2x, is equal to 365. We are shifting 365 in left side, and that will become negative minus 365 equal to 0. 365 minus 1, that is 364, but negative because 365 negative is greater number. So minus 365 equal to 0. 2 is taking common. In this quadratic equation, we get x square plus x minus 182 equal to 0. 2 not equal to 0 means this quadratic equation equal to 0. And we are splitting middle term, x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equal to 0. 14 13s are 182x square, and 14x minus 13x, that is positive 1x. So x is taking common in this quadratic equation, and x plus 14 is in bracket, x plus 14 in bracket, and 13 is taking common, minus 13 is taking common, that is equal to 0. In one pair, x minus 13 common, and x plus 14 in one pair, that is equal to 0. So x is equal to positive 13 and x is equal to negative 14, but we put x is equal to positive 13 in this. 13 plus 1 is 14, so the required number is equal to 13 and 14. Answer. Question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. A, B and C. ABC is an right angle triangle at point B and hypotenuse is given 13 centimeter. Let base is equal to x and altitude is equal to x minus 7 according to question. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 less than its base. Base is x, then altitude is equal to x minus 7. 7 less than its base. Base is here, that is x, and x minus 7 is its altitude. According to by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is here 13 square plus AB is x square plus BC is x minus 7 raised to power 2, as A minus B raised to power 2 is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB, A minus B whole square. 13 square is equal to 169 and x square plus A square plus B square minus 2 into x into 7. 169 is equal to x square plus 7 7 jar 49 minus 7 2 jar 14x. 169 is equal to x square plus x square, that is equal to 2x square plus 49 minus 14x. We are shifting 169 in right side. This implies 2x square first minus 14x plus 49. Shifting this right side minus 169, that is equal to 0. And 2x square minus 14x, 169 minus 49, 169 minus 49, that is equal to 120. But negative 120 because 169 negative number. Minus 120 is equal to 0. We are taking 2 common in this equation. 2 is taking common. In bracket x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. 2 is directly equal to 0, but this quadratic equation x raised to power 2 minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Splitting middle term, product of first and second, product of first and last number is minus 60x square, and prime factorization of 60 is 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. But product is 60. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. We are splitting minus 7x. This implies x raised to power 2 minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. When we are subtract 12x, when minus 12x plus 5x is equal to minus 7x, and 12 5s are 60x square. So x is common, but x minus 12 are in bracket, plus 5 is common, x minus 12 are in bracket equal to 0. X minus 12 one times, x minus 12 equal to 0 means x equal to 12. But we get base that is equal to 12, and 12 minus 7 that is equal to 5. So altitude equal to, find the two sides. Base is equal to 12 centimeter and altitude is equal to 12 minus 7 that is equal to 5 centimeter. Answer. Let base equal to x and altitude is equal to x minus 7 according to question. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Base is x and altitude is x minus 7, and its hypotenuse is given, that is 13 centimeter. Find the sides, find the two sides, base and altitude. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is here given 13 square, 13 13s are 169, and AB is x, but x square plus BC is x minus 7. We are applying the formula A minus B raised to power 2, that is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. And x square plus 7 square minus 2 into x into 7. 7 7s are 49 minus 7 2s are 14x. But x square plus x square equal to 2x square plus 49 minus 14x. We are shifting 169 right side, and 2x square minus 14x plus 49, that is minus 169 equal to 0. 169 minus 49, that is equal to minus 120, and 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. 2 is taking common in this equation, x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. And by splitting middle term, first product of first and last is minus 60x square, and prime factorization of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and we are split minus 7x is equal to minus 12x plus 5x. 12x minus 5x equal to 7x, and 12 5s are 60x square. So x is taking common, and x minus 12 in bracket, x plus 5 is taking common, and x minus 12 in bracket equal to 0. X minus pair of x minus 12 in one times, that will be 0. X minus 12 equal to 0 means x equal to positive 12 and x equal to negative 5. But x equal to positive 12, put in this altitude, put in base is 12, but altitude equal to 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5 centimeter. So base is equal to 12 centimeter and altitude is equal to 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Answer. Question number 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of poultry articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Get the number of article produced. Let the number of article be X and the cost of each article be was 3 more than twice the number of articles. 2x plus 3. According to question, x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. The total cost of production on that was rupees 90. 2x square plus 3x is equal to 90. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. And it's a quadratic equation. Splitting middle term, 90 2s are 180x square negative. Prime factorization of 180 is equal to 90 2s are 245, 2s are 90, 315, 3s are 45, 3 5 3s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. But we are splitting 3x, 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. 15x minus 12x, that is equal to positive 3x, and 15x multiplied by 12x, that is equal to minus 180x square. X is common in this, but 2x plus 15 in bracket and 2x plus 15 in bracket minus 6 is common. 6 2s are 12 and 15 6 are 90 equal to 0. X minus 6 one times, 2x plus 15 one time equal to 0, x equal to 6, and x is equal to minus 15 upon 2. This is neglected, but x is equal to 6. Number of article be 6. Number of article produced. 6. Cost of each article V. 2 into 6 plus 3. This implies 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. Let the number of article be x and the cost of each article be 2x plus 3. According to question, their product is equal to 90. So 2x square plus 3x is equal to 90, and 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. 2x square, we are splitting middle term. 15 12s are 180, negative 180 x square, and 15x minus 12x, that will be positive 3x. X is taking common, 2x plus 15 in bracket, and 6 is taking common, 2x plus 15 in bracket equal to 0. X minus 6 equal to 0 means x is equal to 6, and 2x plus 15 equal to 0 means x equal to negative 15 upon 2. But x equal to 6, put in this cost of each article v. 6 2 are 12 plus 3 15, and number of article v 6, and cost of each article v 2 into 6 12 plus 3 15. Answer. Thank you.